welcome to Indie Option. My name is Roz.
And I'm Mike.
And we're here to talk about creating a task on a project. So you'll notice that Patty finally got a project. We did that in our last module, and we're now in the development phase, so I'm actually going to click on the development tab. Now, I'm going to add a task, and you're probably thinking, well, what do you need to do first? Well, I think the first thing we need is...
Might want to find a script.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea. So find a script. It's good if the movie's about something. So
or develop a script.
Yeah, develop a script, sure. There may not be one out there,
Or
but
buy
maybe,
a script.
or we can buy a script.
This could go on for quite a while.
Yeah, so we'll stick with develop a script for now, and we'll set ourselves a due date. We'll say that we need to have it done by, say, the end of July. So I'll say the 29th of July and give myself a bit of pressure to get that script developed. And right now, I'm going to have to say list of screenwriters, or search. I'm going to say search on screenwriters, ideas. You can put anything you want in the inputs, and the outputs would be obviously for working draft of a script in this case. So think of this as just notes to yourself when you're, and also a way to educate the person you're assigning the task to when it comes to that time. You can list out everything you want them to use. So this is all I'm going to give you to get this task done, and then the outputs is this is what I expect from you. So
our next video we can cover how we're going to get this assigned to somebody.
Exactly. So let's get it created. First we're going to show you what it looks like. And so now we've got the task created. And you notice I could hit the trash bin if I wanted to get rid of this task. But you'll notice that I've got a status. And we'll be able to use these different pieces, adding crew, adding cast, adding vendors. We'll do that in further modules. Also, you can upload files. So maybe when the script is done or you got a working draft, you can actually keep that here. And you can also have, to do. So search for a screenwriter. Because Patty's a producer, she's not so much a writer. So she's going to add that as a to-do for herself, and then she'll mark that complete, hopefully, once you find somebody, and she'll reassign this task to somebody to actually write the script, we're hoping. You'll notice up top here, you can actually go through, and you can change the status, so saying just getting started. And then you'll notice that we have a slider bar to show percentage completion. So you can do it for yourself, or if you assign the task to somebody else, they can just throw the slider bar to let you know, so you can at a glance go in and see how this person is doing on the task. So the whole intent is that once you have these tasks in, each of these different tabs are going to have a whole list of tasks with various different snapshot views of percentage completion, so you get a sense of where you are at the project, and you know where the fires are and what ones you need to put out.
So you wouldn't want to be in the distribution module and see this one's still at 0%, I take it.
Yeah, that would be kind of silly. But yeah, exactly. It would be a bad thing and you want to fix it. So that's what the purpose of this is, to organize your efforts to get everybody off of paper and into a nice little view that you can see everything. So that is creating a task. Now in our next module, we're going to figure out,
we got to get somebody assigned to this.
Exactly. So we're going to get that done, and we'll talk to you in a little bit.